Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your session. I am Bulbul Sengupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So I am going to start with this beautiful thought. One kind word can change someone's entire day. I repeat, one kind word can change someone's entire day. So with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue my session. The today's topic is LCM. LCM. The full form of LCM is lowest common multiples. So we will find this LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. So now let us come to discuss worksheet number 10. How to find out prime factorization lowest common multiples by prime factorization method. Now let us take an example, two numbers 16 and 20. So we will firstly find out the prime factorization of 16 and 20 by division method. So let's start 16. We will use division method. We divide 16 is a composite number, so we divide 16 by 2. Lowest prime number 2. So after dividing, we get 8 as a quotient. Now we write down 8 just below this 16. Again we start to divide 8 by 2 because 8 is a composite number. So we divide the lowest prime number 2. So after that, get 4 as a quotient. And then we again divide 4 by 2. And then we get 2 as a quotient. We again divide 2 by 2. We get 1 as a quotient. Now let us find out prime factorization of 20. 20 is a composite number. We divide 20 by 2. After dividing, we get 10 as a quotient. Now 10 is a composite number. We again divide 10 by 2. 2 is the lowest prime number. After dividing, we get 5 as a quotient. Now 5 is not the multiple of 2. Again we move forward. Go ahead. 3. 5 is also not the multiple of 3. So we will divide 5 by 5. We get 1 as a quotient. Whenever we get 1 as a quotient, it means to stop. Now here the LCM of we have to find out. Okay. So LCM of what we have to find out, 16 and 20. So firstly write down the prime factorization of 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we have to write prime factorization of 20. 20 is 2 into 2, 5 into 1. So 2 into 2 into 5. So here LCM is what? We will take one common. 2 and 2 are common. So from these two appears in 16 and 20 both. So we will take 1 as a common, 2. So next number is also 2. 2 and 2. 2 is also in 16, 2 is also in 16. We will take only ones because these 2 appears in both. Now rest of this 2 and 2 in 16 and 5 in 20. We have to also include it along with this common. So 2 into 2 into 5. So what will be the LCM? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80. So here LCM is 80. LCM of what? LCM of 16 and 20. That is called LCM of 80. We can take another method is there. We can take these two numbers together and then we let's start to divide by 2. So here 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20. These are quotient. We again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again we start to divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and now 5 is not divided by 2, so we will write down 5 as it is. Now again we divide 2, 2 1s are 2, but 5 will not divided by 2, I will write 5 as it is. Now here I will divide by 5, 1 will be not divided, I will write 1, put down 1 as it is. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. At last we get 1, we will stop to do the further division. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. See, same LCM has come. So 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80. So both method you can use it. Now let us start, children, from question number 1. In question number 1, the fill in the blanks is there. So A, first question, prime factorization of of 15 is what? Now next, prime factorization of 90 is what? Now next, LCM of 15 and 90. So you have to fill in the blanks are there. We have to complete that. Firstly, prime factorization of 15. We find prime factorization of 15 by division method. 15 is a composite number. We divide by 3. After dividing, we get 5 as a quotient. Now again we divide 5 by 5 because 5 is not a multiple of 3 and also not 2. So 5 is the lowest possible prime number. After dividing, we get 1. So when we get 1, now it's stop. Now we find next the prime factorization of 90 by division method. 90 is a composite number. We divide 90 by lowest possible prime number 2. So after division, we get 45 as a quotient. We write down just below this. This is 90 whose prime factorization is to be find out. It means it is dividend. Now 45 is a quotient. The quotient should be always written below the dividend. Now again 45 has become dividend. We divide 45 by the lowest possible prime number, that is 5. That is 3. After dividing by 3, we get 15 as a quotient. Now we again divide 15 by 3. We get 5 as a quotient. We divide 5 by 5, not by 3 because 5 is not a multiple of 3. Now after dividing, we get 1. See here we get the prime factorization of 15. 15 is 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 90, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find out LCM. So LCM, firstly we have to find out the common factors. 3 and 3, both 3 appears in 15, 3 also appears in 90. So we will take 3 as a common. Take out 1 3 out of 2. Now here you see 5 also appears in 15 and also 5 appears in 90. So we will take 1 5 out of 2. Now rest of the factors 2 and 3 which appears in 90. So we have to also include in along with those common factors. So this is the LCM we have to, after multiplication we will get. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90. So 90 is the LCM of 15 and 90, right? Now children, in question number 2, using prime factorization method, find the LCM. Let us take an example, 25 and 35, correct? So we will find the prime factorization of, firstly find out 25 by division method. 25 is a composite number, so lowest possible prime number is 5, which I will divide. 25 will be divided by 5. After division, 5 will be remain as a quotient. Again we divide 5 by 5, we get 1 as a quotient. Now it's stop. Now come to divide by using division method to find out prime factorization method. We'll start to find, we will divide 35 by 5. So 5 7s are 35. Again 7 will be divided by 7. Now 1, it's stop. So firstly we write down prime factorization of 25 is 5 into 5 and of 35 is 5 into 7. Now what is the LCM of 25 and 35? Let's firstly find out what are the, which factors are common. This 5 and 5 appears both in 25 and 35, so we will take out single 5. Now come to next another factors. 5 is in 25 and 7 is in 35. They have to also include along with this common factor 5. Now let us start to do multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 7. So it is 5 7s are 35, 3 5 7 2s are 14 and 3 17. So 175 is the LCM of 25 and 35. Now students, worksheet number 10 of unit 3, you have to do it. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Prime factorization, firstly you have to find and then you have to find LCM. I have shown you. And using the prime factorization method, you have to find the LCM. These are the questions. So these question number 1 and 2 is your classwork. Now come to brain teaser. So here in brain teaser, question number 1 is tick the correct answer. You have to find out the correct options. Question number 1, which of the following is not a factor of 48? So options are 6, 7, 12 and 48. So here all of you see that 6 is a factor of 48, 6 8s are 48. 12 is also the factor of 48, 12 4s are 48 and 48 is also factor of 48. Here 7 is not the factor of 48 because 48 is not the multiple of 7. So 7 is the correct answer. Now come to B. Which of the following is a prime number? 91, 57, 97 and 81. So here 97 is a prime number. The LCM of 10, 20 and 25. So here let's find out the LCM of 10, 20 and 25. We find out, divide it. So start with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. These are the quotients. Now start with dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5 cannot be divided by, we cannot be divide 5 by 2, so we will write down 5 as it is. Okay, so now again we divide by 2. 1 cannot be divided by 2, so we write down 1 as it is. 2 divided by 2, 1 and again 5 will be write down as it is. Now we divide by 1, 1 and 1 will be write down as it is. 5 is divided by 5, it's 1. So here LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. So its answer is 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100. So here the third option is 100 is the correct answer. The prime factorization of 36 is 4 into 3 into 3. It is not prime factorization. 4 is a composite number. 2 into 2 into 9. 9 is a composite number. It is non-prime factorization. 12 into 3. Here 12 is a composite number. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It is a prime factorization because all the factors are prime number. Now come to question number E. 48 has dash factors. So 48 has how many factors? So let us find out. 48. So we will start to find out. 1 into 48. 1 times of 48. 2 times of 24. 3 times of 16. 4 times of 12. 6 times of 8. So all of you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 is the correct answer. 48 has 10 factors. Now question number 2. What is the first 4 multiples of 7? So first 4 multiples, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 7, 14, 21 and 28 are the first 4 multiples of 7. Now come to first 4 multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36. Similarly, you have to find out 12, 1 and 13. Now come to fill in the blanks. 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to 42. So 42 is the multiples of what? 2, 3 and 7. Now B. Fifth multiple of 9 is 9 5s are 45. So answer is 45. Is C. Is 48 a multiple of 6? Yes. 6 8 are 48. 48 is a multiple of 6. D. The least multiple of 65 is, what is the least multiple? Least multiple of 65. So you have to find out least multiple of 65. E. 7 into 3 into equal to 21. So dash and dash are the factors of dash. You have to find out. F. Is 8 a factor of 70? If yes or no, you have to find out. G. Is 1 a prime number? Yes or no, you have to find out. Now next question is 4. Find the factors of the following. 27, 90, 38 and 40. So you have to apply you can apply with the factor tree method or division method. Okay children, so one example that I am showing you by using the factor tree method. We broke down, we break this 27 is a composite number in two parts. So 3 and 9, again 9 is a composite number, we divide it into two parts, 3 and 3. So factorization is 3 into 3 into 3. We can use this tree method, factor tree method, or you can use the division method. Divide by 3, 3 9s are 27, again divide by 3, 3. So here also 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times of 3, 3 into 3 into 3. It is the prime factorization of 28, factors of 28. So this is the prime factorization, and in order to find out factors, it means you have to find out all the factors. 27, it means 1 into 27, okay, 3 into 9, okay, 9 into 3. So now it's time to stop. What are the factors? 1, 3, 9 and 27. So factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27. So these are the factors from the the factors by using the multiplication facts. So these are the factors, and these are the prime factors of 27. Okay, you can use any method, but this is the correct one. This is the factors, and it is a prime factorization method. So come to question number 5. Is 217 divisible by 27? So you have to see it. What you will do, you will divide 217 by 27. If remainder is 0, then it is divisible, and if remainder is not 0, then it is not divisible. Using the question number 6, using factor tree method, find the prime factorization of the following. So you have to use the factor tree method, 30 and 84. So here all of you see. Factor tree method in question number 6. Factor tree method. So you will make a tree. We break down this 30 is a composite number in two parts, 2 and 15. Again 15 is a composite number. We divide 3 and 5. So it's factor tree method, prime factorization 2 into 3 into 5. So this is the method of question number 6. Now in 7, division method, find the prime factorization of 36. So simple, we use the division method like this. Divide 36 is a composite number, we divide by 2. So it is 18. 18 is a quotient, again we divide by 2, 9. Again then divide by 3, 3. Divide by 3, 1. So here prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the method by division method. Okay. 3 3 is a 9. 9 2 is 18. 18 2 is a 36. So this is the division method, and this is the prime factor tree method. You can apply any one of it. So next question number 8, find the LCM of 28 and 42, 10 and 15, 95. Firstly you find the prime factorization of these two number, and then you find out the lowest common multiple. You can use you can use the division method in both cases. Question number 9, how many even numbers are there in between 20 and 50? Find out the even number. What are the even numbers? Even numbers, children, which are divisible by 2. Write all the prime numbers between 50 to 80. Find out prime numbers which are having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Write any 5 odd multiples of 3. Odd multiples, it means which is not divisible by 2. Odd multiples of 3. So odd multiples of 3 is 5. Write down. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, and 3 11s are 33. So it's 9, 15, 21, 27 and 33. So these are the 5 odd multiples of 3. So children, in this way you will solve brain teaser. Brain teaser is your homework, HW, and classwork is worksheet number 10 of unit number 3. So hope you have enjoyed the class, children. You have to do all these worksheet number 10 and the brain teaser. So bye bye children, take care.